My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2021 Hyundai i20. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 33,000 miles with a manual transmission. On the steering wheel we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and automatic wipers. On the screen we can get quick access to map, navigation, radio, media, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay, and setup. To put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The i20 comes with 3 different driving modes to choose from. So we have Comfort, Sport and Eco. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.